fell off the holder. ¿Qué onda, mis monitos? I'm gonna leave that in. So, ¿qué onda, mis monitos? I haven't uploaded a lot. I apologize because I've been busy sleeping. So, I know you guys don't want to see that. But yeah, I actually have something to do today. I have to finish some cabinets aquí en la house. I have to change my hood en la troca. A lo mejor el left fender también. So, I might get to that. I'm not sure yet. Probably that might be for another video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I love you guys. Thank you for still liking my videos, subscribing y todo. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not sure if it's gonna be long or short, but I always say that and it turns out to be like 10 minutes. So you guys enjoy the video. I hope you like it. Subscribe. Let's get it, guys. I'm gonna go change the hood at the moment. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh yeah, la troquita. Cold start. Cause I gotta change it. Come on, Junior, come on. Ya viene el primo Junior. Cold start, you ready? Oh, todavía está DC. I missed my truck. Dale para atrás. Porque we gotta change the hood, you know, the view. Ahí vamos. ¿Listo, Junior? Just change the hood. He's my assistant. He might be the cameraman y todo. So, say something to the vlog. Nah? Okay, let's get it. You ready? Boom, this is the before. Yeah, I know I did that. An old hood. Yo, to be honest with you, I'm not sure they're supposed to be like, I think they're supposed to be some others way. Or no sé. Porque en la C10 es la otra. Like the opposite. Like this is behind here. But la bird poop que tengo. Gotta wash it. But yeah, look. Me falta el foco ese todo. So this is the old hood. Let's get it, guys. You ready? Listos? The 101 tools. Let's do this. Listo, Junior. So first, we need calmation. Too small. 3/8. 3 está muy chiquito. Yeah, I don't want to see this. Yeah, stay tuned. So this is all I'm doing, guys. On 13, si le quedó. So I'm literally just taking it off. Just gotta be careful porque it's, me va a pegar en la cabeza. Si se puede con los dedos, chicos, mira. ¿Quién dijo que no? Ay, no, mejor no, never mind. Con la y el Junior ahí está buscando otra llave para 13, so you could do the other side, so you could help me. Miren, todas sucias. Ah, that's nasty. Oh no, I gotta clean this. Clean everything, mira, toda sucia la truck. Ugh. So yeah, stay tuned. You get this up over here? So there it is. We took off the hood. Now eran que three bolts. Y ahora for the HD hood. You ready, Junior? Let's get it. Mira para que miren. The new hood. It's brand new. Yeah. Take off that side.
Montage time.
Y hay niveles del respeto de la gente me ha dado. Soy de clase y de humilde, no he cambiado, pero tampoco soy menso ni dejado. Y ahí andamos por las calles más notorias y en los antros, las mujeres más hermosas por un lado. Nada en esta vida es fácil, batallamos. Que el dinero de dónde viene, que nos miran sospechosos.
¿Estás grabando?
Sí.
So, ready? Oh, los peines.
No.
So, I like show them the end result. Así se mira abajo. What do you think? Parece vaca, ¿verdad?
Parece vaca y policía ya.
So, me falta de cambiar el foco en the left fender. And we'll be done, guys. Then we have to paint it and that's it. So this is the old hood. That's todo. Let's see, let's wet it. Let's see how it looks mojado. We're gonna take it for a while.
Me desperté relax, voy a desayunar. Pon seriamente la cookies que ahora es medicinal. Las hebras del papel me hicieron levantar. Con el humo que aviento todo esto se va a soltar.
¿Qué onda, bonitos?
Some bonitos. Here we got the doorknob, bed and bath.
Door now, because we're gonna buy a door. Yee, el Alfred, el Junior. Just to show the door now.
La sister.
We're gonna debate whether silver or gold, and we said gold. So we're gonna enter what again? When people come over?
We're gonna be like, his is the gold room, mine is the silver room. It matches my room. Silver is like my room theme, his is gold.
So, just stay tuned. Hasta luego.
What's up, bonitos? I'm here stealing my brother's YouTube channel because, you know, we're the strongest family out here. So, oh, here, Mom. Aquí estamos. We're putting a big door in the
How
Hummer.
the hell are you gonna get this door and
We're
a
Mexican.
Hummer?
We're Mexicans. You'll make it fit. The card, Jimmy.
Oh, screw
Move, get out.
me. You know that I'm not the only one looking at you guys like, what the fuck are they doing? You made it happen.
Ya, pick it up more. ¿Quién dijo que no, papá?
Scooby-Doo Papa.
¿Quién dijo que los mexicanos no pueden? Hey, las otras cosas?
Oh, I have them inside already.
Okay, you see?
So now how are you guys gonna get
We didn't get it
in?
like this.
Pues Vivian, acuéstate aquí,
I'm gonna
Junior.
lay down. I'm gonna lay down.
Look,
Dude,
this
really?
look.
Really?
I can't. You good?
Move, bro.
You
Close
good?
it. Bye.
Here, I have to turn it on. It's
We're
too
being
hot.
really serious.
Here.
She's in there. And Junior?
On your lap.
On my lap? Okay, here you go.
Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. I can't.
Do it for the what, Vivian?
Do it for the vlog.
Dude, it's not even funny. Right.
Everybody's gonna be staring at us.
When we get off at the house, we're doing the garage.
Yeah, stay tuned because we're putting the door.
About everybody.
This is an update video. Here I am. This is how it looks like. Yeah. So that's what I see.
MTV
And I
Cribs.
see my mom. I see Bird. I see Alfred on top of it. We're Mexicans. We make it fit. There's still room over there, but it's okay. That's how it looks. The door. Update. Everything's
So you say
going.
you were gonna take over my channel?
Fine. Yeah, I'm gonna take over his channels. The Wirito Squad's good.
Okay.
Wirritos are hard. Go hard. Huh?
Why?
Because y'all need challenges. Y'all need
Well,
challenges.
I'm
for
gonna
this
do a
video.
challenge.
Huh?
I'm gonna do a challenge.
Y'all need challenges, right? Oh, I cut my fleco yesterday. My mom cut it for me. What do you think? Is it good? I look different, but it's okay. Can you even hear me? Okay, I'm gonna bye, bye, Morenitos! Morenitos!
¿Qué onda, mis monitos? So I'm gonna tell you guys goodbye. Yeah, we didn't have nothing else planned for the day. We finished everything, all the little projects that we had. So thanks to all my subscribers, all the likes, everything that you guys have done. I appreciate it so much. ¿Qué más iba a decir? Oh yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I still have more plans, like, well, not that much, but like more videos to do. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. I appreciate all the love and the support, all the likes, all the comments. Thank you guys. Keep supporting me. I love y'all. Until the next video, let's get it, guys.